Hello everyone, my name is Bhairavi Bhagadkar and I have done my graduation in electrical engineering with distinction from KD College of Engineering, Nagpur in 2016. Later I was preparing for government exams such as Indian Railways and Mumbai Metro, but unfortunately due to my medical issues I couldn't clear that exams. So I tried to explore more fields in IT industry, and as I am an engineer, I am good with analytics, statistics and mathematical skills. So I thought of taking data analyst and data science as my career options. After my graduation, initially I was preparing for government exams, but unfortunately I couldn't clear those. So I thought of exploring more fields in IT industries, and I came to know across about data analytics. I did some online research and tried to study by myself from online platforms like Udemy. I researched online for reputed institutes that teaches data analytics and data science, and I came to know about Anup Kelkar's Python Academy, who has 18 years of experience in this field. I attended their introductory sessions, and as I'm an engineer and deals with statistics and analytics, so I have finally decided to select this organization for my future scope. After joining the course, initially Anup sir gave the brief idea about the training program and internship. And in the initial phase, in phase 1, we learned about the basic Python programming, followed by the data analytics and machine learning portions, and some R language. After that, in the internship, I handled few case studies such as credit risk analysis. As a part of internship, I handled few case studies such as credit risk analysis, below 0 degree, ice cream parlor. I got a very good assistance and job opportunities from Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. They even guided me to build an impressive resume and my profiles in Naukri.com and LinkedIn, and applied for various good job opportunities. And after that, I eventually landed as a data analyst in Crisil Limited, Pune. My data analyst interview was very good. Initially, they conducted a machine test which includes quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and some finance related questions. After that, there was one HR technical interview where they have judged my communication skills and some basic Python programming. And after that, finally, there was an interview with manager. The final interview was conducted by the manager himself. He actually focused on my case studies that I have studied in internship program, and some projects like credit risk analysis and below 0 degree ice cream parlor. Well, I don't know if I'm eligible to answer this question or not, but I'll suggest you to have some patience and believe in the process. Practice as much as datasets as you can, and keep updating your online profiles.